Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel short VBA code series that is running into my channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to insert multiple worksheets at a single click. So watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. So let's begin. At first we need to go to the Developer tab. There click on Visual Basic, otherwise you can directly press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into the Visual Basic editor. Here click on Insert and insert a new module. Now write that code we are going to execute. Use the sub procedure at first, sub following your procedure name. I am typing it as Insert Multiple Sheets, right? Then hit the enter button, come to the next line. Look at here, your sub procedure name has been changed. Now we declare our variables using dim. I am typing I as an integer, right? Hit the tab button to autofill it, hit the enter button, come to the next line. Now type I equation. Here we are going to use an input box where you are going to input a number that how many worksheets you want. Input box, open a bracket, open a quotation. Now type a message like enter the number of sheets, right? Full stop, close the quotation. Now put a comma, again open the double quote, type enter multiple sheets, close the quotation, close the bracket, hit enter, come to the next line, right? Here type sheets dot add, hit the tab button to autofill it, put a space, type after colon equation active sheet comma count colon equation I, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now your code has been completed. Now this code will execute and insert multiple sheets at once. Now save it by pressing Ctrl S. Don't forget to save your workbook as type Excel macro enabled workbook. Name your workbook. I am naming it as insert multiple sheets. Now you will find the download link of this workbook in my description box. Please check that. Now save it, close this Visual Basic editor, go to the Developer tab and click on Insert. Insert a new button here. Assign your macro with that button. Now name it as Insert Multiple Sheets, right? Click outside of that button. Now look at here, we only have now sheet 1, right? And whenever we click on insert multiple sheets, it says enter the number of sheets. Let's say I want 10 sheets. Now I have typed 10 here and click on OK. Look at here, 10 sheets has been inserted automatically. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.